Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the HAIOOU coffee table. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Take a look at the retail box and packaging. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, we have everything opened up. Let's take a look at all the parts and pieces right here. A lot of goodies to go over for assembly. Take a look at everything. Get a feel for the quality. It's going to be your particle board with laminate on the top. Hardware kit right here with everything that we need. And then we have our instruction guide and manual. Let's look at each setup step. First up, they have the parts list, hardware kit, as well as steps 1 and 2, then steps 3 to 6, and steps 7 and 8, as well as some weight limits, as well as product dimensions. Now let's get this set up. And boom, there we go. The coffee table is fully assembled right here. I'd say it's gonna take you around 45 minutes, maybe a little bit quicker depending on how well versed you are with assembly required furniture here. But we'll look at it up close. You'll notice the drawer right here with the handle, opens and closes. It's not a soft close or anything like that. And then we have our cubby right there. Give you the side profile here. See underneath the 4 legs. Here's a look at the back side there. Cubby there. See through. We'll look at the other side right there too. Back underneath and back to the front of the coffee table. Now let's get down to the nitty gritty. There's 2 things I want to point out just to curb your expectations for this particular coffee table. In our case, there's no room for fine tuning the drawer. Maybe you noticed it, maybe you didn't, but the gap on this side is a lot larger, about twice as large as it is on this side. But there was no way for us to shift that to make it any better. So that's just a little bit frustrating. I think it has to do with that piece in there. It doesn't tighten in like some of the other ones, but that's just due, I guess, to how everything was cut. So anyways, everything's fully functional and works, but if you have OCD, furniture like this isn't gonna be for you. The second thing is, I don't know if it was forgotten, not in our packaging, or just not included. I don't think it was included, but I wanna be careful with what I say here. But it's interesting that they didn't give us any stickers to cover all of this up. It's really tacky, so I really wish they gave us some brown stickers to hide all of that. So I'm not sure if we did something wrong in that process and used the wrong piece there, but we followed the instructions and I wish we had some stickers so we could cover those up. But I will sing their praises. You might not be able to tell here. Maybe you can if I lift it up a little bit, but they did give us felt pads. So if you are gonna put this on a hard floor or surface, they do give you 4 felt pads to be able to protect the legs and your floor. So that was well thought out. I like the hardware here for the door handle too. And overall, it was not bad to set up, and it doesn't look bad either. So you definitely get what you get with furniture like this. Not gonna be the highest quality, but for a lot of you out there, it's gonna be good enough for what you need.